Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when you're actually typing or searching for something. Let's jump on Instagram app. In this particular example we're gonna click right over here and then we're gonna click on the magnifying glass so we can go and test the search bar, right? As you can see, we have a search suggestion which is essentially Land Rover Defender. This is something I searched previously. So how are we going to delete this search suggestion? Well, we're going to click on the X sign next to it. And now when you actually refresh and we go back to the search bar, well, guess what? We have 0 search suggestions. This is very important because you probably search something that was trendy right now, but it's no longer trendy, so you're not probably going to search for it anymore. This is how it's gonna work, guys. Subscribe and follow for more tips and tricks like this.